Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because we are talking about a new collection that is launching this Friday. And you know, I'm trying to bring it to you early so you can decide what you want, what you don't want. We're talking about the Colourpop Festival Collection or Festival Essentials collection that is going to be launching again this Friday. They actually sent it over to me in PR. And first off, this is so freaking cute. Very colorful, very like festive-y if you are going to different festivals or like Coachella, EDC. These are fun, bright colors that I think are also great for springtime. So we have 14 new Ultra Satin lips that retail for $6.50. Another reason why I love Colourpop. They're so dang affordable and so reliable. Like I love, love, love Colourpop. When I go on vacation, I pack like 4 Colourpop palettes. Like I don't even pack my high-end palettes a lot of times. And then they're coming out with 24 new pressed powder shadows. So those retail for $4 in the pan, or you can get them in a little compact for $5. Again, so freaking affordable. So as always, we're going to swatch all the lip shades on my lips today. That way you can see them. You can compare them to the other swatches. We will do hand swatches of the eyeshadows. I mean, I'll be honest. There was one palette that Colourpop came out with last December, and it was a Sephora exclusive. It was all like shimmery shades. And to me, that's really the only palette that wasn't on par with all of their other formula. It was like almost a glitter, pressed glitter type formula that I didn't really care for. But other than that, all of my Colourpop palettes I use and abuse. They're in my everyday drawer palette. And there's very minimal space in that drawer. So, like, you know I love it, especially if there's multiples in there. So, yeah, we're going to be going through this collection. I'm very excited to share it with you guys. And let me take my watch off so it's not, like, all up in the clips. But, yeah. So, with that being said, really quick before we dive into swatches, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you don't forget to subscribe down below. This is going to make sure that you are notified for future uploads. Lots of giveaways, lots of hauls going on, lots of reviews coming up. But I post 3 times a week, so Wednesday, Friday, and then we do mail hauls every Monday, so you're up to date with the new collections and everything. And then make sure that you do hit that little bell notification. That way you are notified as soon as the video goes live. So anyways, I feel like that should be a song. Click it so you're notified before the video goes live. Okay, I cannot rap. Anyways, okay, without further ado, let's get into the swatches. Okay, so I want to swatch the lipsticks first because, I mean, these are gorgeous. So it's the Ultra Satin formula. I don't know if they're going to have this like set available, but like I said, these retail for $6.50. Yeah, a very great price tag, very beautiful colors. So let's jump into the swatches and then we'll do all the swatches on the eyeshadows. Let me zoom you in. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Okay, and then here is, again, a close-up of all the eyeshadow shades in this collection. So here's what they look like. And I swear, they don't look as exciting on camera as they do in person. Like, this one has like a really pretty metallic shift to it. They all honestly are so gorgeous. I just hate it because I feel like they aren't showing up as good on camera. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed like the lip swatches and the eyeshadows. What I will say is that I'm so impressed by the lipsticks. I feel like there was a video that I did, I think it was the Too Faced liquid lipstick video, where I did like a purple shade and it didn't show up nearly like the one that Colourpop has. And I just feel like a lot of times when I do lip swatch videos, I will have to apply like 1 or 2 layers just to make sure they're super opaque. But you don't even have to dip back into these, which is so mind-blowing to me. Like, they are super, super pigmented. As soon as you put them on, like one swipe, you're done. They're pigmented. They don't have like streakiness to them really. I don't know obviously how long they're gonna last as far as wear time, because again, I'm just doing swatches today. I want to get this collection up for you guys before it released, but I do really like the formula. Very comfortable. It feels like you're applying butter on your lips, honestly, and for the price tag, you really can't beat it. Now there's some shades like that really bright orange or that like purple, like unicorn purple shade that I wouldn't personally wear on like a day-to-day basis. Probably not really ever, but I feel like the collection overall has a lot of really wearable shades. And again, they feel really great on the lips and they're really, really pigmented. And then of course is the eyeshadows. We all know my love for the eyeshadows. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know if you guys plan on getting this down below in the comments. Again, I did just want to review it for you since it is such a large collection. Show you guys swatches, but overall, Colourpop just continues to impress me. I can't wait to see what else they come out with this year. And again, I think this collection is super fun and festive, and I would definitely recommend picking it up. Hey guys! Okay, that was a weird wave. Oh, so many bloopers today. Blooper City. So basically, this is the festival since... Okay, too much. That has to go in the bloopers. All right. There was one palette came. I want to swatch. Oh, girl. And yeah. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.